seed, and then this one too is the fresh seed. As you can see, this is the dry one. I have another one here. You see, there's the dry one. As you can see, these are the dry ones. So I'm going to talk about the dry ones. The fresh. Welcome to my channel once again. This is Plant Lifestyles. Today, as you can see the dry castor seed. I'm going to teach you how to use the dry castor seed to bring good things to your life. Bring good things to your life. Yes, in fact, the castor's plant is very beneficial, it's very powerful. It drives away negative energy, it gives you peace. If you use it wisely, it also increases the rate at which customers come to your shop. It also gives you power to overcome evil. It also gives you power to overcome anything that is dragging your life backwards. This castor plant is in my garden, and I'm going to talk about it for how we are going to use it to drive away evil spirits, improve your life, and also bring a lot of good things into your life. Yes, once you see the dry one, you see the castor has a lot of seed. When just one, you can see that there will be a lot of seed on it, as you can see. And you have the fresh one, which is the fresh leaf, the fresh seed, and then this one too is the fresh seed. As you can see, this is the dry one. I have another one here. You see, there's the dry one. As you can see, these are the dry ones. So I'm going to talk about the dry ones. The fresh one has its own benefits and its power, but today I'm going to talk about the dry one. How we are going to use it to improve your life, gain wealth, drive away negative energy, improve your business and finances. Yes, this castor has been used long time from our great grandparents, that they were using it to do a lot of miracles. Yes, when you see the dry one, you are good to go. So when you get the dry one, you are going to get the dry one. You are going to plug the dry one. So once you plug the dry one, you are going to plug as you want, as many as you want. So once you get the dry ones like this, the dry ones, many people use it for a lot of medicine, but we are going to use it to improve our life in a spiritual aspect. So once you get the seed like this, you are going to get a burning source or a heat source, your coal pot or what. You are going to put it in your coal pot, and then as the fire is burning, it will bring out smoke. That smoke is very powerful to drive away negative energy in your house. It cleans your house from any witchcrafty, any power of the evil, anything that the devil has planted in your compound. You are going to burn this every evening, not morning. You are going to burn it in the evening, and then you are going to burn it till you've recognized that now things that are worrying me are gone, and now I have peace, and now my business is improving. Even that, you continue burning it to keep you sustained. You are going to burn it evening. So you can even burn just 3. You are not going to burn, you can burn as many as you want. Yes, the scent, the only thing we need is the scent of the oil inside there. You see, the castor plant has a kind of seed inside. This is the seed, the actual seed inside. Yes, this is the seed. This is the seed inside. This seed is used to make oils, and then all kind. The seed is also white, found inside this. So as you can see, it's a whitish. You can find this whitish substance inside that one too. Yes, I'm using only one hand. That is why I'm struggling to make it clear. So as you can see, yes, it is whitish. So this whitish thing is used to make a lot of oil. You can see the castor oil is used to treat anti-inflammatory. It is an allergic. If there's any allergic reaction, this thing is going to treat it, and all those kind of. It's very powerful. So there's a kind of oil in this. As I rub it, as you can see, there's something oil in it. That oil is going to burn, and that oil is mostly used by other people, other pastors to do or perform miracles and all those kind of things. So this oil is going to burn. The oil inside is the most important thing. When it burns, it brings out a certain kind of smell, and then it's going to drive away evil spirits. It's going to drive away powers that are bringing you negative energy, and then anything that is not improving your life in your house.